Hello, I'm Megan Edge, and I want to welcome you to Workshop Wisdoms. Here I share with you some of the tidbits of knowledge, information, and wisdom that come up during workshops and courses. I hope you enjoy. Here's what I know happens every single time I give you an assignment or an exercise, because I can feel it from the group.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh God. Okay, I can do this. I mean, everyone else is going to do it better than I am, but I know I can do this. All right.
Yeah.
You all are doing it. You're all doing it. So just know that it's coming up for every one of you. It will come up for every one of you for your whole life, and I hope it always does. Because what it means is that you want to do a good job for the other person. You want to show up for them and be able to give them something of value, and it matters to you that it makes a difference in their lives. That's a really good place to be coming from with this sort of work. There are a lot of gurus out there. There are a lot of people in this line of work, in this industry, who will show up as though they don't have a concern in the world about how they do this work. If that's really true, I don't want them doing a reading for me. I want it to matter to them what my experience is of it. I want it to matter to them. So each time your doubting demon, your inner critic, your backpedaler shows up, it's an opportunity to remind yourself that the reason that they're showing up is because you care so much about the other person, and that you want to be of help to them, and you want to facilitate their healing, and you want to be able to hold space for them. And these are all incredibly honorable and essential desires when you step into becoming a healer or being a healer. Otherwise, don't bother. Thank you for watching my workshops and my talks. It's my passion to share with you what I know and believe. We have lots of laughter, sometimes tears. We're always learning and growing. I would love to hear from you and stay connected. Enjoy this amazing day.